to Crypto Rally. I'm going to go through some of these meme coins real quick. So this one right here, we are looking at Solboy. Right now it's 171k market cap. So I'm just going to look at some Fibonacci's where we might be going. So just looking at it, I haven't looked at it. I mean, I've never looked at the chart, but just looking at the chart, it would have went from this high down to this low once we started coming down. And you can see we're in the zone between the 1.236 and the 1.618. So that would have been my target in that area right here. You can still come down to the 1.618, but maybe that was enough to get the bounce. And you can see it bounced off the 1.414. It's bouncing up. Now it's hitting where we had the bounce previous support. It's now resistance. So I'm going to zoom in. So let's go down here to where we were. Bring this down so I can zoom in. The 1 hour. So let's see if this hits anything. So I would have went from here to here. Let's reverse the fib. Reverse. I would have been tracking it down because we had a bounce. So would have went from this high, tracked it down to right here. So I would have said, if we bounce from here, went from here down to here, and we bounced, you can see it used the support again. We bounced, but we hit a 1618, and we actually went through the 1618. That would have been my target right here, and then actually almost hit the 2.236, but this was a bit of my target, and now it's pulling back. So now I'm going to do the reverse. So I'm going to bring this up to here, and then this is where we bounced at, and see what fib levels. And always aim for 1618s, or I mean 618s, 786s. So let's go ahead and reverse this. And so, oh no, what happened here? And 0. Okay, get my line back. So I would put my where is my rectangle? 618, 786. So this level for a pullback. And then if it goes lower, which I hope not, hopefully that was it. So you can see, so from the bottom to the bounce right here, currently under these levels. And so we already broke under here, so I would assume it would either bounce off the 618 or come into this level, find support, and head higher. If it breaks through, it's probably coming down to these levels. I hope not. And let's look at RSIs. So I'm going to add indicators. I'm going to add RSI, add this one, and I'm going to add this one also. So you can see here, went to overbought up here, and then we're coming back down. Here's the 50 line, and might bounce off the 50 line. And this is the 1 hour time frame, so the hourly is coming back down. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hours still up here, It's breaking through the 50 line, so hopefully it keeps trending up. And the daily, the daily is still down to the bottom, so it could have more room to run. Once all these maybe cool off a little bit, consolidate in our area here, consolidate and head higher. But those are the fibs I'm looking for Solboy. And I guess I'll not end it yet, but we're going to reverse the fib. Reverse the fib. And man, why do I keep doing that when I scroll? 0. Okay. If you don't know how to use those, you are learning how to use those. So now I want to look and see where we're going up. So let's pretend this is the bottom right here. So we're support, we're bouncing up. I'd be looking for resistance here between the 618, 786. And my target, if he gets through there, would be here. 1618, 1236. So that's what I'd be looking for on the upside right now. I mean, it can keep going higher, you know, but you got to go, you know, it went through our levels, now it's cooling down. Hopefully bounce higher. If it goes up to here, cool down, and hopefully bounce higher. And if it needs to come down more, come down to this zone. If it goes through, it's coming down to this zone, but hopefully not. Hopefully that was enough. But that's all I have right now for Solboy. Hopefully find support and move up. Again, this is not financial advice. Sorry I did not have any music going on, but I was just trying to get this out kind of quick. And go ahead and like and subscribe for more updates, and see you in the next one.